Snap! You've just been in a car accident. Deep breaths, it's not the end of the road. Here's a quick guide on what to do next. First, check everyone's safety. If it's a minor fender bender, move to a safe location. If injuries are involved, call 911. Next, exchange information. Get the other driver's name, contact details, and insurance information. Don't forget to document the scene. Take photos, jot down details, and if there are witnesses, get their information too. After that, report the accident to your insurance company. They'll guide you through the claims process. Remember, honesty is key here. Don't embellish or downplay the event. Let the facts do the talking. Last but not least, take your vehicle to a trusted auto body shop. If you're in San Antonio, Texas, consider Miracle Body and Paint. They'll get your car back on the road in no time. And remember, after a collision, it's not just about mending metal, it's about ensuring safety. So stay calm, stay safe, and let the professionals handle the rest.